Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Different Division platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE Main examination. Okay, so this question came on 27th August 2021 in shift 1. So let us see this question first. Question says a bar magnet is passing through a conducting loop of a radius r with velocity v. The radius of the bar magnet is such that it just passed through the loop. So you have been given this bar magnet which is, and a loop has been given to you whose radius is almost equal to the radius of this bar magnet. Okay, and it is constantly moving towards this loop. So obviously if it is constantly moving towards this loop, and it would have a constant magnetic field would always originate from the north pole. Okay, while it is approaching it, the magnetic field lines crossing this area of a loop would keep on increasing, don't you think? So if the so that means magnetic field lines increasing, so that means flux is also increasing. So if flux is increasing, induction increasing, so that means there is a change in the flux, so induced EMF would be developed in this loop. Okay, so let us see this question again. Now the induced EMF in the loop can be represented by approximate curve. So which curve? First, second, third and fourth would be correct curve. Okay, while entering, magnetic flux is increasing because the number of field lines crossing this area is keep on increasing. Okay, while it is away, so at that time magnetic field lines entering this loop was low, and while it is coming towards this bar magnet coming towards this loop, the total magnetic field lines crossing this area will keep on increasing. So that means the flux is increasing. Okay, change in the flux is there, so that means induced EMF will be there. Okay, since flux is increasing, so the EMF would be in the negative. So because flux is nothing but the EMF induced is nothing but EMF induced is given by a relationship minus d phi by dt, negative of the change in flux per unit time. Okay, so this is the relationship of induced EMF which has been developed in this circular loop. Okay, so that means if it is increasing, so that means the EMF must be negative. So and suppose so that means at initial position while it is going towards the loop, the EMF is negative. So which option is correct? So these two options could be the correct option. So that means first option as well as second option is not correct, because flux is increasing, so that means EMF has to be negative. While entering it, so that means while it is entering it and it has got inside the loop, so this is a situation in which the magnet would go just like this. Okay, north pole is here, south pole is there. So in this particular situation, while it is entering it, no change in flux taking place, no change in the flux within the loop will take place. So that means if it is no change in the flux will take place, because magnetic field lines are originating from north and it is terminating on south. So while it is entering, so the no flux changes. So at this position, while it is in the position when the entire bar magnet is into this loop and it is moving, so in the entire situation the flux must be equal to 0. So that means induced EMF must be equal to 0. So for this much portion the induced EMF is also 0. Okay, now while going away, so this is a situation in which this is a magnetic, this is a loop and this is south pole. So now magnetic flux is decreasing because this loop, this bar magnet is going away. So the now magnetic flux is decreasing, so that means induced EMF has to be positive, because the negative signs show that if it is increasing, so that means it is negative, if it is decreasing, so that means it is positive. Okay, so that means while going away from the loop, the magnetic field line crossing this area of the loop will keep on decreasing. So if it is decreasing, so that means induced EMF has to be positive. So third would be our correct option, because while leaving the EMF is positive, and while coming towards the loop EMF was negative, and while crossing this loop EMF is 0. Okay, I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.